Many graphic designers find it difficult to decline low quality or unprofessional client offers, often due to lack of clients because you don't even have. So how can you reject some? However, today I will guide you on how to attract consistent and high-paying clients, enabling you to confidently turn down offers that do not align with your standards or business goals. So without any further ado, let's dive in.
Nice.
One of the things to consider when you are not getting more clients is your niche. You can't just be always a general designer. You can start with a general design, but moving forward, you have to specialize and niche down. That will make you stand out. So determine the specific areas of graphic design you excel in or are most interested in. Example, brand design, web design, and others. Focus on one particular niche, and focusing on niche can help you stand out in a crowded market. This time, many designers are out there doing a whole lot of things, but if you niche down and then you specialize very well, clients will come to you because you are special in this area. For instance, in our world, if your eye is paying you or you have problem with a specific part of the body, let me use the eye for example, you don't just go to a general hospital. You go to someone who is specialized in the eye for the person to treat you, just because the person knows what he's doing. I mean, you trust the person because he are specialized in that area. That same thing applies to our work as graphic designers. If someone knows that you are best in creating logos, he will always bring work for you. If someone knows that you are good in this area, he will always bring work for you because he trusts your delivery. So choose a niche and then master in that. That will help you land high paying and consistent clients every time. Another thing you need to consider is your portfolio. Make sure you build a strong portfolio. Showcase your best work. Make sure your portfolio reflects a variety of styles and project types to demonstrate your versatility. Keep it updated. Anytime you do a new design that is very top notch, anytime you do some crazy works, I mean, you always do works, but some of the work stands out. Post it there. I mean, upload it on your portfolio. Just make sure that you are posting the best of your work, not just any other work, and make sure you update your portfolio regularly. So building a strong portfolio will also help you to get that high paying client and that consistent client that you need. And then also make sure you utilize social media handles very well. Platforms like Instagram, Behance, and Dribble are great for sharing your work and connecting with other designers and potential clients. Nowadays, X, formerly Twitter, is even more powerful. All that you have to do is to post your work there as well, to make those who know your page know that this is what you do. Your profiles, your bios, your posts, everything has to be about what you do, not just strictly about what you do, but make sure people know you as this, so that whenever they need someone for this particular role, they don't go and search, but they just come straight to you because they know you can do it and do it well. And then also, cold emailing and outreach can help you to get clients. Reach out to potential clients with a personalized message showcasing your work and how you can benefit their business. Don't be afraid to enter someone's DM, tell them what you do, and ask them if they need someone to do something like that for them. I will also advise you to try reaching content creators on platforms like Instagram and also YouTube. And then also, this is one thing that most of us are not doing. Most of us are not showcasing testimonials from our previous clients. Most of us are not showcasing the reviews we got from them. Let people see what people said about your previous project, about your project you've done with them, about how they work with you. This is the last thing that I want to talk about, that ask for referrals. So you can ask your client to ask their friends if they have projects that you can work on it for them. So just ask your clients, your satisfied clients. They may have friends, they may have other business partners who may need your services. So there you have it. I talked about focusing on your niche, building a great portfolio, using your social media handles, staying active online, and reaching out to clients. Follow these steps and you'll be well on your way to growing your graphic design career with consistent and high paying clients. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.
Wow, incredible!
Until next time, quench not your creativity. Peace.